I the one Ghana flag.
Oh, plenty this. plenty.
But I know the one made in Ghana. No, I the one the original one. I'm the one.
Oh, this one be the original one. Hold it.
Nah, the special. I the one correct one. I the one I'm the like made in Ghana. I the one correct one, original one. Nah, this thing I know if they use this thing. Yeah, I'm person Jimmy.
Oh, so you want the one with plenty designs? Oh, my brother, come. Abi, you said you want original.
Original.
You see, the red one is from America. The yellow one is from Tokyo. The green one is from Brazil.
But the black,
it be Obama way do am.
Obama.
Oh yes. The only made in Ghana thing for here be me. You see, you know we say that one no be original, but that one be China.
But the texture of this thing, I sure they high pass the other.
The only product made in Ghana is me.
I'm the one with my money. I don't the one with my money. I the one
who waste your money, my brother. Or you won't take me.
I said the one original thing. Why? I like Ghana made.
Like so I they give you. Make I give you. 30 Ghana.
I beg Tia Top give you, I give you the money, ma go.
Oh nah, 30 Ghana you say.
Oh, I beg Tia Top, I give you the money, make I go.
Okay, bring 20.
Oh. See, ma give you 15.
Give me 20. 15 no good. Bring the 20. All right.
Okay, I can't give you more cost.
All right. Next time when you come, I go give you Dubai things. Idiot. Nonsense. So because everything is being imported from outside, Ghana flag too should be imported from outside. Hey, then very soon President too they go import them. I'm the only made in Ghana products. Me.
Abasi why the prayer manti. Me mama want no one me do me a gonzozi. But go why ya chase destiny. Them a want me attend to boy bati. Abasi why the prayer manti. Me mama want no one.